Dear students, now you will learn how to construct a quadrilateral when three sides are given and two angles are given. The angles are not multiple of 15. Angle B is 80 degree and angle C is 100 degree. You have to construct these angles with the help of protractor. If the angles are not multiple of 15, you have to construct the angles with the help of protractor. And if angles are multiple of 15 degree, you have to construct the angles with the help of compass. First of all, you have to construct rough without measurement. Angle B and angle C is given. You have to take a base BC. BC is 4 centimeter. Now angle B is 80 degree. It is an acute angle. You have to construct 80 degree. Angle XBC is 80 degree. And you have to construct angle YCB is 100 degree. It is obtuse angle. So it is 100 degree. This point is Y. You have to cut BX. Here point will be A and here point will be D. Now it will be AB. AB is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. This point is A. This is CD and CD is 5 centimeter. Same. This point will be D. And you have to join A with D point. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now you have to construct this with the help of ruler and protractor. First of all, you have to take BC 4 centimeter. This point is B. This point is C. At the point P, you have to construct angle 80 degree with the help of protractor. It is 80 degree. This point is X. Now you have to construct angle 100 degree at the point C. 100 degree is the obtuse angle. This point is Y. This angle is 80 degree and this angle is 100 degree. Now 5 centimeter you have to same 5 centimeter. This point is A. This point is D. Now join A point with D with the help of scale. Now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. I hope this question will be clear to you. Thank you.